Today, I am off to Red Rooster. They've got a brand new $5.50 value crunch box. What's in the $5.50 value crunch box, you ask? Well, how about we whip on in and grab one, suss it out and find out for ourselves. Now, this Red Rooster's got a drive-through, so let's use it.
How can I get you?
Can I get a $5.50 value crunch box, please?
Yeah, area.
Can I get it with the drink?
Yeah.
And can I get it the hot honey fried version, thanks?
Yeah. Is it for the drink? Sorry.
Pepsi?
Yeah. Let me get back to it. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
It's $8.50 today.
Yep. Can I get the receipt too, please?
Yeah.
Got to get the receipt.
I'll grab that receipt now.
Great, thank you. Got the drink. Thanks. And I got the receipt. Yes, you ripper! Ooh, awesome, thank you very much. All right, well, I got the meal. Let's find somewhere to park so I can chuck it on the scales. Now, I upgraded this today. Normally you get 2 pieces of crunchy fried chicken, but for an extra $1, you can choose between the Red's hot fried chicken or the hot honey fried chicken. And then for an extra $2 on top of that, you can get a can of drink. So $8.50, well, it seems like a bargain, doesn't it? Anyway, let's find out how much this weighs, because it doesn't feel like it weighs a lot. 293 grams minus the box. Well, you're probably looking at around the 260, 270 grams worth of food. Anyway, let's crack the box open and see what we actually get in this value box. Da, 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 da. Ooh. Well, I got a scroungy wing piece and a semi-decent other piece. And you also get some chips. What? Is that all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chips. Now, I've had some pretty crappy bags of chips in my life, but I think this one takes the cake of being the worst. But hopefully they taste all right. Well, that one tasted a bit raw. At least they're seasoned well enough. And what about this chicken? Well, I did get a pathetic scabby wing piece and the decent sized piece that I never know what it's called. Do you know what it's called? If you do, let me know down below. But let's try this honey fried chicken. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is so beautiful and sweet. And the honey fried chicken sauce has got some chili in it too, which makes it spicy. Spicy enough to make your lips go numb. But, mate, this is tasting pretty good. Just what I needed today, actually. Something a bit greasy. Even though it's not really that greasy. It could be greasier. I wish it was greasier. But still, it's pretty tasty. But what score would I give it out of 10? Well, value-wise, if you didn't get the hot honey sauce, it'd be $5.50 for 2 bits of chicken and some chips. Now, chips is normally a plural for more than one chip, and, well, today's effort, pretty poor. Have you ever seen a bag with less chips in it? Honestly, I don't think I have. The fried chicken, well, that's pretty nice. It's not very salty at all. It could probably do with a bit, I reckon. But the hot honey sauce is pretty nice. It's a little bit spicy and it tastes all right. And the drink for an extra $2 if you want it, well, I'll save that for later on tonight. But for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the $5.50 value crunch box, the one I got today wasn't very impressive, but the one you might get should be better. So for a score out of 10, I reckon it deserves a... Well, if I'd got a decent bag of chips, I probably would have given it a 10 out of 10. But because they gave me the worst bag of chips known to humankind, I'm only giving this one a 6 out of 10. It's actually a pretty good meal deal, except if you get the wing, of course, and if they filled your bag of chips up. But yeah, pretty good, tasty, and you know, $2 for an extra drink, may as well. Nowadays, that's pretty good value. But on the positive side today, I think I could go into the Guinness Book of World Records for the least amount of chips ever served in a bag at Red Rooster. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time for my next food review. See you then.
Ooh, yeah.